Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're looking how to play the keyboard and mouse on Arc Raiders on your Xbox and you are wondering how to do so today, we are going to explain if that support is available for Arc Raiders on consoles or not. So let's just get started. So once you access your Raider application right here, you just need to go over and look out for the settings option and click on it. And once you click on the settings option right here, you will be getting a section for gameplay. You can go to the controls or graphics section, and within controls you can look out for the controls like moving forward, moving backward, moving left, right, etc. So if you're trying to play the keyboard and mouse on Arc Raiders and Xbox, you cannot do it. You cannot play Arc Raiders with keyboards and mouse on Xbox Series because the console version currently lacks a native KBM support, forcing you to use a controller through the Xbox itself and can physically connect to KBM or anything else for other games. While some players want it, developers have not added it, so you're matched with a controller. Players or can disable the crossplay to avoid the PC users. So this uh, cannot be done. You can alternatively use a third-party application such as XIM to go ahead and connect your keyboard and mouse on our creators to play it with your Xbox, and that is it. And if you want KBM, you will need to play the game on the PC, and to avoid facing PC players who use gaming, we can turn off the crossplay in your settings, but this should limit your match making pool to any other console players using the controllers. And for now, our creators on Xbox Series is a controller only experience. While physical KBM connection is possible on Xbox, the game does not recognize it for gameplay, so you need to focus on mastering the controller settings for the best experience, or switch to PC if the KBM is uh, available, which is a must have. So that's it, guys. You may follow this process for that. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.